pool problems like cloudy water, algae, and odors can dull your pool's shine. But with the right products, you can get it sparkling again. At HTH Pool Care, keeping your pool clear and safe is our top priority. The McDonald family has been experiencing a few issues.
We heard that shocking our pool can help with the overall maintenance. Can you explain that to me?
Yes, one of the key steps in maintaining clear and healthy safe water is shocking your pool weekly. Cal-hypo is the perfect product for that. It eliminates bacteria, algae, and it even breaks down stubborn contaminants within 24 hours.
Sounds great. So what do I do the next day?
Unlike other shocks, Cal-hypo is free of stabilizers. So this means that you won't have to worry about overstabilization or chlorine lock, which can affect your chlorine.
Sounds like Cal-hypo is the answer.
The first step is to shock your pool weekly. And we really suggest that you do this in the evening to prevent the chlorine loss from sunlight. Always make sure that your pump is running when adding the shock. This ensures that the chlorine gets dispersed over the entire pool. After applying the shock, let your pool pump run overnight.
That makes sense. I wouldn't want my kids to go in the pool until the next day.
You'll want to test your water the next day to make sure that the chlorine levels are between 1 and 4 ppm, and that your pH is between 7.2 and 7.6.
This is so much easier than I thought. It's really nice to know I'm giving my pool the best care possible.
Exactly, and by shocking your pool weekly with Cal-hypo, you're going to solve 90% of common pool water problems like algae, cloudy water, and odors. It's a small effort that makes a big difference. Thanks to HTH Pool Care, maintaining a safe, clear pool is a breeze. Remember, a little maintenance goes a long way. Visit hthpools.com for more tips and tools or designingspaces.tv.